Hello smart viewers, welcome to this channel again, DET Practical English Teaching. This time, I'd like to direct you again how to improve your speaking skill using a short story related to the use of would you mind plus gerund. To improve your speaking skill, you should listen to me carefully and repeat sentence by sentence. You should also try to memorize it and retell it. In the end, I will ask you some questions about it. Now please listen and repeat after me, sentence by sentence. The telephone rang a few seconds ago. Someone wants to speak to Mr. Bruce Foster. I'm very sorry. Mr. Foster is not in the office. He has gone out. He'll be back at 3 o'clock. His secretary is saying. Would you mind calling him then? Would you mind calling him then? Well, do you still remember the story? Well, now please answer my questions. Question number 1. When did the telephone ring? Question number 2. Does someone want to talk to him? What is his secretary saying? Well, I hope that this video is very useful for you. If you like it, you should subscribe, give comment, and share.